So in procurement, governance is something that SYSPRO is definitely looking into, and the trends out in the marketplace are telling us that organizations are wanting to ensure that there is the sufficient controls, governance, and the oversight to ensure that procurement activities within an organization are ethical. And this could be a corporate social responsibility, or it could be through a regulatory requirement. So we have introduced new functionality for procurement, being preferred supplier, which allows an organization to set up the specific procurement rules that you would typically associate with a supplier, or it could be a supplier product combination. And the system will ensure that when it recommends the appropriate supplier to be making a purchase from for a shortage against that item, that it follows the policies that you have put in place. So in today's competitive landscape, organizations understand that it no longer is about a single point organization competing with another in a competitive landscape in the market, but increasingly it's about looking at a supply chain versus a supply chain. This increased emphasis means that procurement plays a far more strategic role within an organization. So I guess one of the questions is, how could procurement possibly offer a contribution to the strategic benefit of an organization's competitive advantage? So we have to look at that procurement systems need to answer the tenets of ensuring that you have the right product with the right levels of quality at the right cost, and you have sourced it in a sustainable manner. So having increasingly all of these policies in place and review ensures that you have the right levels of corporate governance and corporate social responsibility within your systems, be it from a CSR or be it from a regulatory perspective. So SYSPRO has recently introduced the preferred vendor functionality. And what that basically will allow you to do is to configure per product what the strategic sourcing policy should be to ensure that your organization follows the correct policies and agreed upon policies and protocols for procuring and replenishing items. We support many different policies, many of the industry standard procurement policies, in ensuring that we have provided the benefits not only to yourselves, but also in creating a more strategic partnering and relationship with your suppliers. So longer term, you could be looking at your organization's spending potential. And in doing so, this will allow you to strategically plan for the longer term relationships and your longer term spend with each of your suppliers. Another aspect and another benefit of preferred supplier is de-risking your procurement process. By ensuring that you have created policies that specifically address risk and procurement risk in your business, you can effectively ensure that from a governance perspective, that the system is enabling you to follow the policies that you've already predetermined. Finally, I would say that the strongest benefit is the adherence to regulatory or governance policies set out either by your organization or by the industry that you participate in.